Kiwi.
So we got him a new friend.
Yeah, his new friend is right here. It's Summer. See, he's only 2 weeks old, and we just got him today. He's a budgie. He's a budgie, and I think when he grows up, he's gonna have yellow feathers.
Yes.
And like, do you see this blue like spot? Like,
yes,
it's gonna get more blue, and yeah. So he's only 2 weeks old.
So he's
say hi.
Birthday.
He looks scared.
And he looks cute.
Like, those are naughty cars.
And I see on his face.
Okay.
So bye.
Yeah. We just fed him. We all like, and also we changed our name to Kiwi and Shush. Shush. Not a shush.
Subscribe to Kiwi.
And wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah. Yeah. So basically, we just got him. We fed him, and well, I was saying not a shush. Oh, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we just fed him, and also we changed our channel's name to Kiwi and Friends because yeah. And also we'll do another video of my dad's canaries downstairs in the basement. So bye.
Bye.